Look how beautiful this alto blue looks reflecting the sky. It's just stunning. It's a deep, deep blue color with all the metallic paint reflecting. There it is. Ford Maverick hybrid luxury package with Ford Copilot 360. That's the master code, and the directions explain what to do. You can either program it from the outside keypad, or I think it's easier to do it right here. These are the four main screens here. The audio controls, phone, apps, and settings. We're going to go to settings, vehicle, door keypad code, just for demonstration purposes, how easy it is. So I enter a 5-digit code. I'm going to go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, just for the heck of it. This will be erased, so don't get any ideas. 5, 7, 9, enter. Your personal door keypad code has been added. Whenever you lock from the key fob, you just have to push the button once and all four doors on a car or truck lock. So why do you have to push the unlock button twice for all four doors to unlock? I'm going to push it once. That unlocks the front door, but not the back door. Or when I enter that new temporary code, okay, yes, the driver's door is unlocked, but not the back door. Again, doesn't make any sense. So I have a solution for you. So all you do to make all four doors unlocked with one push of the button on your key fob is you go to the screen with the image of the vehicle. Granted, on the Lariat and FX4, the screen is bigger, but it's the same idea. And you see the three lines in the upper right hand corner. That is this button right here on the menu. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down by pushing the OK button down. 1, 2, 3, down to vehicle settings. And I'm going to scroll down 1 to the locks. Push OK in. Auto unlock, mislock, chirp. If you don't want that, you just push the OK button in. Nope, I do want that in case I miss one of the doors are slightly open. And here we go. Here's how you change what I was just showing you. Remote unlock right now with the first push is only the driver. You'd have to push it twice to unlock all the doors. So to change it, you just push the OK button up 1, push the OK button in, and now the remote lock is for all the doors. Let's show you. Okay, so now with the new setting of all doors unlocked with the first click, simple. Push the unlock, and all doors unlock. Okay, I'm going to lock it again and show you how it's done from the keypad. So right now it's locked. Put in my temporary code that I showed you. I heard a click, and now I can unlock not just the driver's door, but all doors. And the great thing about this keypad is you don't have to have a key at all. In fact, you can leave your key in the car at all times if you want. Because to lock it, you push the 7 and the 8 together. Now all the doors are locked. To unlock, you push the code. Very simple. It's fantastic when you're outside and the keys are in the house, so you don't have to worry about going back to get the key upstairs or wherever you left it. Or if you're hiking, camping, you leave the keys in the car, in the truck, and everything can be done right from this keypad. I didn't think I would like this feature, but it's become one of my favorite features of the Ford Maverick. Thanks for watching.